and Sunny ended up ordering baseboards from his work for really cheap, and that should be able to cover all of the imperfections on the bottom of the walls. We actually got enough to cover all of the garage, except the car that we brought yesterday, which was Sunny's IS250. Just couldn't fit the amount of baseboards that we got. I didn't know this, but IS250's rear seats don't actually go down, so quickly came by the garage to pick up the Scion. This Scion, so I measured, it should be about 8 feet. So if we move this seat up, put it down. From here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, you know what? Just full send. Let's go pick these boards up and hope for the best. Damn, almost forgot the receipt. I need this. This car is so spacious. I love it. Okay, so this place that we're taking you to, or where we're grabbing the baseboards, is a place called Restore. What Restore is a reseller of overstocked furniture and materials that businesses and companies don't need anymore for their business. They just simply donate to this place, and then Restore gets to resell it. So the baseboards we're picking up is basically just leftover material from a recent project. Let's go. And this place is just 5 minutes down the road. Yo, the turning radius for a Scion for going forward or reverse is amazing. Just because the back end is so short. Oh, pickup is right here. Watch. Okay, so I basically have to do a full 90-degree turn here. Look at that. That should be okay. And it's because like it almost has no rear bumper. Like look how close the end of it is to the rear wheel. Beautiful, man. Tuck this in. Hey. Awesome. All right, my man. Appreciate it. Thank you. All right, my mans. Let's go. Let's go. Look at this. We did it. And the thing about Scion XPs too is like, I mean, it's spacious, but these boards are almost 8 feet. So it's literally touching the front windshield and the rear door. But me and that dude made it happen. Let's go back to the garage. So this is pretty much the last remaining piece to the puzzle, and I'm bringing them in one by one. You can already tell how reliable the Scion XP is gonna be for us. Okay. This thing's heavy, dude. Just waiting on Sunny to bring a compressor and a nail gun, and we can get these guys installed. All right, yo, Sunny coming in clutch with a compressor and the nail gun. Don't point that at the wall, bro. I'm gonna press down on it and we'll try to get as close as possible to the wall, alright? Alright. Wait, hold up. These guys gave me a suggestion. It'd be super extra if we painted these baseboards green, and I know for a fact we have enough green paint left over, so I think we're just gonna do it, man. Full send. Just means we also have to rip these two that we already installed off the wall. That's okay. This place has to be ready for tomorrow's event, so let's just get to it, man. Right, we are almost, well, Sunny's been doing all the work. Thanks, Sunny. He is almost done putting on the third, fourth layer of green, and it's looking good. Eddie's back. We're trying to take his shift knob out. The 370Z shift knobs are like impossible to take off. You need like superhuman strength. How you doing, Sean?
I'm tired.
You're tired?
My fingers hurt.
Yeah, next. The video we watched, the guy was using vice grips.
Yeah.
Vice grips. Yeah, he had like 2 tools.
You're a vice grip.
It's almost
just
like
sit
that,
on it.
Your asshole's a vice grip.
Yeah, you're. You would know. Nice shoes, Birdie.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you never see you wear those. You always wear Yeezys.
Always Yeezys.
Yeah, grip that dildo.
To force and break something.
What about this? I want to install it.
Oh shit, Nismo. Is it real?
Yeah. It's legit, dude.
Let Brian try. He has big muscles.
That's so tight.
Right. Fuck. That's what Sean said. You gotta use your butthole, bro.
Nice good.
Hello.
Breathing technique. 11th form.
11th form, 4th class.
Yo, look at my hand. Birdie, look at my hand.
Yeah, that was like all the other tutorials fits in there. Let's try it. Yo, that's not what I meant. Sticky icky icky. Alright guys, that's it. Finally finished installing the baseboards. They're all painted green as well. And yeah, I'm gonna have to cut this piece to fit it in. Yeah man, good job. Yo,
It's exactly like the amount we needed, man.
what, you have no more nails?
No more nails.
That was the exact last nail?
Yeah, that's freaking crazy. Man.
Crazy. Well, there you have it, man. Last nail, last baseboard. I'd say this shop is pretty complete. Sonny, thank you so much for the help hooking it up with the baseboards. This kid got these for like 60 bucks for all of them. Thank you for the help, man. Follow this kid on Instagram. Plug it in here somewhere. This kid's helped me out for the past couple of days, and half of this stuff probably wouldn't have happened in the amount of time that it did. So, Sonny, awesome, man. Appreciate it. So we're just gonna clean up for the rest of the night, I guess. Everyone else left. And yeah, get this place ready for tomorrow's little event. Barbecue, grill, and chill. So, son.
Peace out.
Peace. Good morning, guys. Today is the day of our grill and chill, and I am quite fashionably light. Like, check this out. We're repping the Hidden Leaf Jonin. Yeah! Don't do that without stretching. I think I did something to my shoulder blades. Say hi to the camera, buddy. Woo! Woo! Hey, say hello. Quickly load up the Scion, and we'll see you guys at the garage. Whoa! Okay, we're here, guys, and it looks like there's a lot of people here too. Yo, what's up, guys?
Whoa, hey, Bernie, what's up? Bernie.
I have no idea how that's gonna look.
This is the grand opening, season ender.
Welcome.
What's up?
We're just gonna set up real quick because I'm hella late, as per usual, and there's a lot of people here already.
2 hours late.
My time was 1, okay? I came on time. On my
your time was 1.
It's okay. We're here. Get this day started. Trey, my good friends.
What's up?
We gotta get our day started.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go. Yo.
Whoa.
The goods. This is restaurant level fridge, man. You should ask Sean to take a shot with us. In the corner by myself. This is my breakfast, by the way. I literally woke up an hour ago. Hey,
It's chilled, so it's not as bad.
Yo, it's nice to meet you. I've seen your YouTube videos. That's
right on,
crazy.
man.
Yeah.
You're in a vlog right now. Yo, day started with us.
Like that.
Thank you. Cheers, man.
Cheers. Yeah,
For friendship.
Definitely not as bad.
I'm done. I'm gonna help these guys set up. We're watching Demon Slayer on Big Screen later. Huh? Give everyone a shot. Yo guys, we're here. We made it. I don't think this is allowed, but it's the weekend, so I'm pretty sure none of the businesses here are open. Basically barricaded this back alley with cars, and the turnout is sick. Some of these I only ever see at shows, so it's really cool that coming closer to the end of show season, these people are still down to come hang out with us and show off their cars. Show up with their cars, not show off per se. It's not really about who has the coolest looking car, you know? It's about togetherness. And so lame, man. I don't know how to talk. Okay, yeah, let's do a quick walk around, show you guys some of the cars that are here right now. Pretty insane, some of the bills that turned up here. decided to go for a little walk in the front. There's actually cool cars out here too. Yo, sweet. Got a few Civics. This thing is freaking badass. Oh fuck, that's hot still. We got obvious drift build. This thing is sick, dude. He's repping the good. Yo, Young Tokes. What up, brother? Always. Ooh, that's dope.
What's up, Birdie?
Yo, what's up, man? How are you guys?
Good, how you doing?
Pretty good, pretty good. No, not really. Quickly had to run upstairs, the battery ran out. Yo, Clark. We're in the corner upstairs watching Bleach and playing Zelda. What the heck, man? Nah, there's too many people outside. Serious. Car is looking pretty. Not at all, man. Yeah, go for it. Roshi glasses. Alright, I think it's over. They did the raffle and people are starting to leave, but it's just chill, you know? Just hang out. Hello. Sup, sup.
What's up, Birdie?
Long time no see, Connor.
I think it's about 4.
Thanks for coming. Peace. I'd say overall, good turnout. Thank you to everyone who took their time out of their day to come by the shop and say what's up. It was a pretty good turnout and a really chill day where everyone just hanging out, having a good time. Shitty shunter. Oh, I got it. I'm the tallest one of the crew now. Gucci's come to join the party. Thanks, thanks. I don't know, man. Not many people come to this mall. But then again, it was just recently renovated.
So it's
and now
pretty.
it actually really looks nice now. Smells good too.
I feel like they don't have that many choices, but all the choices they have are
There's
good.
tacos, chachis, or oka. Barbecue pork mac and cheese. Cheese toast. This is exactly what we're gonna do, boys. That looks so good. Okay, guys. Just finished up dinner with a gang, and then everyone kind of just went their own separate ways. Yeah, I'm just gonna end this video. Feel like it's been a long day, but also fairly productive. And again, big congratulations to Custom Decals YYC, Ryan and Sean for their grand opening. It's really cool, man, and I feel like it's gonna be super beneficial for both parties. The fact that my sticker supplier is literally our next door neighbor, I think from here on out, sticker turnaround time is gonna be like nothing. And that also means you guys are gonna get your stickers and decals that much sooner. That's something to look forward to. And also, I don't think I'm gonna be lonely anymore. It's usually just me at that garage working late into the night. Here and there, my friends would come by if they have like parts that they need to install in their car. But now we have a next door neighbor, so it's nice. And I can't thank you guys enough for all of the support you've given us. And also the people who came by the meet today, our fan base. They're cool people, and that's really all you can ask for from your community is to be open-minded and welcoming, you know? Good times all around. And just a couple of announcements before we end the video. Make sure you guys check out the new Wave 7 merch, which is available now. The hoodies themselves we're doing pre-order slots for, and I'm pretty sure most of the slots are already sold out. There's two other designs. One is meant for girls. It's a crop top. And the other one is a black version. So if you guys want a chance to have one of these, make sure you head over to the website. For Wave 7, we dropped a whole bunch of new apparel and new accessories, including mouth masks, Bosuzoku drift rings, what I like to call mom handles, new key tags, new lanyard designs, and yeah, just check out the website to see what we got in stock. And the other big news, we're doing a collaboration with our friends Vertex Japan. This isn't the collaboration actually. This is my old deep dish steering wheel for the FRS. But as you can see, it's kind of used and abused. It used to be white, is now this gross gray. The green really faded. But I'm showing you this because this is where we got our inspiration. Concept looks like this. And we're only going to be producing 150 of these in the entire world. All of them will be numbered with the numbers etched somewhere in the center. It's going to be a very limited drop. Only 150. I'm expecting to get the prototype within the next couple weeks, but once I get it in my hands, I'll take photos and we'll give you more information about it. Again, there's only gonna be 150 of these in the entire world. So tons to look forward to from me and the KMR team. We got parts coming in for the XB. I finally sourced the kit for the E36, so we're gonna be putting in a lot more work on that thing in the next few months, or weeks I should say. I'm excited for the future. As usual, thank you guys for watching, and if you do wanna get updated on when new videos come out on this channel, hit the sub button with a notification button ticked. Leave some good vibes in the comments. I will catch you guys on the next video. See ya.